Tell me what can I do now? Ain't it always funny how?
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be installing a Tpart wig. It's been a really long time since we've reviewed a Tpart wig on my channel. Stick around to find out all the details and find out where this wig is from. If you guessed it, today's hair sponsor is Shein. I've collaborated with them so many times on my channel. Super excited to have them back once again. Today what I have installed is a 28-inch 13x4. I know it's Tpart, but it's technically 4 inches deep. 13x4, a body wave Tpart wig. And I believe it is 180% density.
As soon as I let my guard down, here comes that familiar sound. When you start to get tongue-tied, and in my heart I feel you lie. Though I knew the whole damn time, why do I act so surprised? 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family helped you do this since you don't.
I've been trying to transition out of relaxing my hair, so it's growing out slowly. We'll see what happens. No promises. We have a Tpart wig. I'm gonna spray some lace tint on the little why can't I say that itty bitty lace. Oh my goodness, the hairline is fierce.
I think you should live differently. What's left for me when it all ends?
Okay, so Shein definitely gave us some glue. Let me try a little bit of this glue. I feel like we should.
You need some real ones on.
I hope this doesn't break me out. I'm only putting it there because I have very sensitive skin. Very runny, which makes it pretty spreadable actually.
On your side, the type to pull up, down to right. Keep it 100, tell you if you're wrong or right. Yeah, you need some real.
That's dry clear though. Okay, Shein glue.
I can see through all the fake, but I give my all to those who take. It's disaster in the making, how easily we break. We're all diamonds in the rough.
Actually, let's try this out. Let's use some of this.
But no one's gonna call your bluff. You need someone you can trust to tell you when you're messed up.
It smells really nice actually. We don't got much of a part, so the part that we do have, we definitely want to make sure she's looking snatched.
Friends keep your secrets, and your family name.
Basically what I'm going to do is only style this side of the hair. The other side I'm not going to do like the edges or anything like that, because you're not going to see it. I'm not going to have it so it's shown.
Weakness, and don't think you could live different.
Let me see what this edges hammer, what it do. Let's see.
What's left for me when it all ends? You needed some real ones on your side.
Okay, we'll press it out. Okay, we're gonna add some layers.
Yeah, you need some real ones on your side, so I know that they're on.
Because it's gonna be so much better with layers. Okay, I'm gonna seal it in.
takers and givers. I've been called the latter, but am I really a giver? If I don't give to myself, don't take care of my health, care for everyone else, I usually give away my best. But get into this reset, get into this reset, get into this reset. Takers, givers, I've been called the latter. Get into this reset, yeah. I'ma adjust my clock like daylight savings. Next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting?
Okay, and for the comb out, we're gonna use some bio silk.
Start over, owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you're blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, reset. Ain't nothing to start over. Owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you're blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah.
And I did pluck a little bit as I was installing it, but nothing major. This is not a fresh out of the box install because I did bleach the knot, so we did have to curl her, and this is how the curls came out. It's very beautiful. You are limited to the part being on the side. Kind of reminded me how cute side parts are. I know I eat up a middle part bust down every time, but sometimes it's nice to try something new, and the side part, I'm feeling it. Let me know what you guys think. It does feel a little bit on the drier side, so recommend using some conditioner or some oils. I did put some bio silk oil. It's holding a really nice curl. I've been playing around with it and it looks really good. So if you guys want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. There's a discount code, it's gonna be there as well, so don't forget to check that out before you go, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. We do giveaways, all kinds of stuff over here, so if that sounds like something that you might be interested in, don't forget to do that before you leave. And leave a comment on your thoughts, guys. I'll catch you later in another review real soon. Bye for now.